Hey guys, the Mechanic Man 92 here. So today I have a new tool that I'm going to be showing you guys. So let's get started. So right here I have the Husky 3/8 locking flex head ratchet. I was looking at these Husky ratchets for a while. Saw that Justin Dow had some and he really likes these. So I decided that I would give it a try. One thing I like this over the snap-on one that I did have is the locking mechanism is right here instead of on the side. When I had the 3/8 snap-on one, sometimes it was hard to like unlock it. So with these one, it's even on both sides too. So lock, unlock. This is a 100 position ratchet, so like it. It's fine tooth. I'll go get a tape measure and show you guys the length of it. So it is about 10.5 inches in length. Kind of has the shape of a snap-on ratchet. Here I have the 1/4 inch, pretty much same shape. So everyone's probably trying to do that. Like about this one is it has the quick release right here. So when you put a socket on, press that and it quickly releases. That way if you have oily hands or something like that, you don't have to struggle pulling it off. You just press the button and it basically snaps off. So right here, go. So just easily snap on, put it on, press the button, locks in. So pretty simple, button gone. I will be doing a video later on this week comparing it to other 3/8 ratchets I have, which are Pittsburgh Craftsman. I'll also be comparing it to, I know it's going to be a little bit difficult, but the 1/4 inch snap-on ratchet. Be on the lookout for that video. Anyway, anytime, like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.